Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So we are on the last page of Best in Class Book 1, which I believe is no longer being published. I picked it up on eBay. When I first started teaching, this book was being used all over. And then Bruce Pearson came out with the Standard of Excellence, which is his second book. Tradition of Excellence, his newest book, has been out for a few years, and a lot of people are using that. And it's actually almost exactly the same as Standard of Excellence. But having taken some classes with him at Vanderbilt College of Music and a few things, he has he shared a few things about some of the changes he made to give a little more insight for the students into the music setup. And let's get going. So we have Jingle Bells. This time, unlike page 31, this is the actual melody all the way through. Looks like there are a lot of Christmas songs on this page. Good King Wenceslas. Holiday greetings. We have a first and second ending in this, and the second ending actually takes up a large part of the song. Here we go. All right, Go Team Go is also known as Let's Go Band. So I just played it the way we used to play it when I was a student. This is how it's actually written. And you'll find a lot of things in music will be about a personal interpretation that fits the mood. So, like, Go Team Go, something you might play for a football game, if you're doing pep band stuff or basketball or something. So you want a little bit of the edge to it. Whereas when you're playing something orchestral, you want that deeper, smoother kind of sound a lot of the time, not all the time. And 2 songs left in book. Saints go marching in. And slowing things down on Dante, and in 3/4 America. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.